Hey my lovelies, today I'm going to show you how I make my crispy fried chicken at home, so come on and let's make this. In my bowl I have 2.5 pounds of chicken. Now you're going to add your all-purpose seasoning, your black pepper, your paprika, salt. I'm using sea salt, but you can use whichever salt you prefer. My grated seasoning, it will be listed in the description box below. You can also blend yours. Now you're going to use your hand or a glove and give it a good rub so all the seasoning will be distributed evenly. Afterwards, you're going to cover it with a plastic wrap and leave it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. In my bowl I have 1 cup of flour. You're going to add half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of orange seasoning. You can also use turmeric, it helps it to have a beautiful color. Half tablespoon of paprika, half teaspoon of black pepper. Now you're going to mix well so it will be incorporated properly. Now you're going to coat each piece of chicken in the flour mixture. You can also use your hand or a fork, anything you like. Shake off the excess flour and let it rest for about 5 minutes before frying. Repeat process until all the pieces are coated. Use the amount of oil to your liking. I don't like a lot of oil, but if you want it that way, you can do it. Now you're going to heat up the pan for about 5 to 7 minutes and add 1 piece at a time. Do not overload the pot. Add about 3 to 4 pieces at a time. Fry 5 to 7 minutes on each side on a medium flame. Shake off excess oil before placing on a wire rack. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe.